our channel. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and turn notifications and a huge thumbs up. So today we're going to be making chicken Alfredo. So let's do it. So the things we're going to be needing is some salt, sour cream, pepper, this kind of cheese, Parmesan cheese, some garlic, but the garlic you have, but if you have like the smashed garlic, you can use that.
Powder.
Yeah, the garlic powder, but we don't have the garlic powder, so we're just getting regular garlic, and we're gonna be using this thing to just smash it up to make it for some powder.
This too.
Yeah, this.
And you will be
And half a stick of butter.
And you will be meeting these two
These tools.
And let's get started.
And we're also gonna be needing the noodles.
The noodles.
We're using these kinds of noodles.
And the chicken is there to result.
Yeah, result.
And
Is it frozen?
Yeah, it is frozen, so we're putting in some hot water it could just kind of dissolve. So yeah,
and
we're good.
And you. This is how it turned out. This is.
Let me see.
This is my sister's, mine, and my dad's.
And we're gonna try it.
And let's go again. And when you are trying it, you have to put a little of hot milk inside of
it. So let's try it.
It's good. How about you?
Good.
10 out of 10.